Here I have Renault Captur, and let me show you how to delete profile from the following car. So basically, if you would like to delete profile from the Renault Infotainment system, all you need to do is start by using the home screen, select here the apps icon. From the apps view, you need to scroll down until you see the settings. Then from settings, here let's find and select the profiles and accounts. As you can see, here you've got your profiles. In my case, I've got the admin and new profile. Let me just delete this new profile. So let's use these three dots, select here, delete profile. And you've got information, all applications data will be deleted. If you are aware of this, let's just tap delete. Tap OK. Let me tap later, and that's it. You just delete this profile. If you just tap here the apps and the settings again, choose here profiles and accounts, you should see that right now you've got this admin profile. Tap OK, and there is no other profile. Of course, there is a guest profile, but it's something different. If you tap here the settings and here choose profiles and accounts, you should see that there's only the admin. If you would like to use the guest profile, you need to use these three dots and select guest profile here, or you can create a new profile by using this plus button. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.